sixth part from exercise 2.3. So class 8, this is also very simple. Don't be confused. What is this? The question is very lengthy. No, the question is very easy. Okay, solve step by step. Now I am going to solve this question. First, 8x plus 4 is left hand side. Okay, equal to 3x minus 1 plus 7 is another side, right hand side. So here you can multiply the number by x and minus 1 also. Okay, it will become 3x minus 3. Now I am going to solve this number step by step. Here 8x, okay, now equal to 3x minus 1 as it is plus 7 as it is. Okay, I am not changing the digit. Plus 4 transfer on right hand side, it will become minus 4. Okay, so 3x, x minus 1 as it is, plus 7 as it is, 8x as it is, equal sign as it is. What change? Plus 4 will transfer on that side, it will become minus 4. Now what? 8x equal to, as it is, 3x minus 1 plus 7 minus 4. Now 7 minus 4, what you will get? 3, right? 7 minus 4, you will get like this, 3. Now what next digit is? Here 8x equal to 3x minus 1 plus 3. Now there is no variable term, not at all. So what we have to do? Simple. We have to multiply the number, this number, by this one and open the bracket. 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. 3x minus 3 into 1 is 3. Now this one is plus 3. Now you know about that if there is same number, one is negative integer, one is positive integer, we can cut this number. Okay, here minus 3 plus 3, so minus 3 plus 3 will cancel because 3 minus 3 is 0. Now here 8x and 3x, what we have to do? Simple. 3x will transfer on that side, it will become 8x minus 3x equal to, here is 0. Now what we have to do here? 5x equal to 0. That means our answer of this question is, okay, solve like this. X, if you divide any number by 0, you will get 0 answer, right? So x is equal to